Full generative video, cinematic cartoons, anything you wish. The new Invideo V3 update brings a powerful model with a huge number of presets for prompts. You can create a preset library, convert text to clips, text to title clips, and even text to images. Use any voice, including your own cloned voice. A massive number of languages are available with just one click. Astonishing capabilities. Generate videos from a prompt, a script, another video, or even an article. All of this is in today's video. Let's dive in. Go to the Invideo website and log in with Google. It's the easiest way. One important step. Go to the corner where your account icon is, open the menu, and click on Settings. In the Workspace Settings section, turn on beta features. One more step. Set your video's visibility now so you don't have to do it every time you generate a new video. I set it to private, and I'll explain why later. Now, in the left corner, an icon called Beta Enabled will appear, allowing you to access workspace settings. Now we can use all Invideo features. Let's start creating our first generative video. Our first prompt in the magic box will be a futuristic drama where aliens take over New York City. Let's make a short video for a quicker process. Our prompt has been analyzed and prepared. The next step is choosing our settings. We could use stock footage as usual, but in this tutorial, we'll use stock media. For the visual style, let's go with realistic. Since this is a futuristic drama, we'll choose sci-fi fans as our target audience and YouTube as our platform. On the Continue button, you'll see the number of points or time required for generation. Press Continue.
I'm sure you've heard the news. New York is under an alien siege, and it's nothing like the movies. Picture this.
Wow, this looks amazing. The voiceover sounds good. Well done. Now, let's fix this frame. Press the Edit button below the video. On the left panel, you can see all media parameters, adjust the audio, or even generate sound effects. Now, let's change the frame. Press the Generated Media button. If we've generated footage before, we can reuse it. The new clip looks great. Select it and press to replace the old frame. All done. Now, let's go back. By the way, if you prefer, you can use the refresh button to replace it with stock footage instead. You can also adjust the music, script, and settings, including subtitles, transitions, and more. I'll explain all of that later. Next, we'll try cartoons and YouTube Shorts with subtitles. But first, let's explore the adjustment features and see what we can do. One of the new features is a section called Generative Picks, where you can find sample templates and results. This will help you understand how to write prompts. You can select any prompt, copy it, and modify it to fit your needs. One of the most important features is the presets library. You can select subtitle presets or create your own. The same goes for transition presets. Choose from existing ones or customize your own. Every preset comes with multiple options. Overlay presets even have an additional upload overlay feature. At any time, you can modify any part of a finished video: voice, music, subtitles, or even individual scenes. If you want to make any adjustments, simply enter a prompt in the magic box. Now, let's explore the Edit section. Choose any finished video and press the Edit button below it. This section consists of 4 main parts. First, media. We've already covered how to replace frames in the New York video example. Now, let's move to the Media Properties section. Here, you can edit a selected frame, trim it, adjust the center point, zoom in, rotate, or change transitions. About audio and sound effects. You can modify background audio volume and adjust the offset. In the Sound Effects section, you can browse the library for effects, apply them, or even generate new sound effects. You can also download and use your own existing files. Selecting a frame can be done by clicking directly on it or choosing the corresponding text from the voiceover. Second, music. You can upload your own music or choose from the built-in library. Adjust the music by trimming, changing the volume, and applying fade-in or fade-out effects. If you want the music to loop, just switch on the loop toggle. Next is Settings. This section allows you to customize overlays, transitions, subtitle styles, text presets, and volume levels. We'll discuss subtitles in more detail when we cover YouTube Shorts. You can also control audio levels and add more characters if needed. And About Script. Most sections are self-explanatory, but the Script section has a few additional features. Here, you can change speakers, assign different voices to different chapters, and generate new segments. Since this is a generative video, you'll see a Generate button. Pressing it will reveal the prompt used to create the existing frame. You also have the option to generate additional video content for a scene. Just enter a new prompt, or use the link at the bottom of the box to switch to stock footage. You can add extra frames or delete any frame as needed. The Text button lets you add text overlays to your video and select styles. You can explore more options by pressing the plus button. Now, let's look at the left side panel. Text inside brackets represents special commands or prompts related to the frame, while text outside brackets is what will be spoken in the voiceover. Right-clicking on a chapter box will open a menu with options to add, split, merge, or delete segments. Another important tool is the Gap button, which creates a pause in the voiceover. To add a gap, place the cursor where you want the pause, right-click, and select Add Gap. You can set the duration by entering the number of seconds. To split a row, position the cursor anywhere in the text, right-click, and select Split. This will create 2 segments, allowing you to generate separate videos for each. It's incredibly simple. Just give it a try. If you're unsure about your edits, press the Discard Changes button before leaving the Edit section. You also have Undo and Redo buttons to manage your modifications. These preset sections are incredibly useful and make video editing more efficient than ever. Now, the interface includes several buttons under the magic box. Create AI Shorts, Make AI Explainer, Create Animated Film, Use My Script. Workflows, the Plugins button opens the same menu as the button in the bottom left corner. Workflows contains all Invideo AI prompt presets, designed to be intuitive and easy to use. Here, you can select the type of video you want to create. Choose the video length and the platform for publishing. Pick a background music style and language, which can be changed later in the magic box. Customize caption styles and add a watermark if needed. By the way, in this corner, you'll find a link to my video comparing free and paid AI tools for removing watermarks from videos. Voice actors. You can add up to 5 voices per video, including your own voice clone. Some presets limit multiple voices, but you can always adjust settings later using a short command in the magic box. If you need a different aspect ratio for another platform, just enter a prompt like change aspect ratio to landscape or portrait for YouTube Shorts. Download and watermark options. Now, let's download the video. We have 3 watermark options. No watermark for subscribers. Invideo AI branding. Select None. Choose Video Resolution. I'm going with 1080p. You'll get 50 extra AI minutes if you use my pinned link to subscribe to Invideo. Best subscription plan. Generative plan. Best for full access to generative videos. Max plan. Cheaper, but only includes 60 seconds of generative credits. Generative plan is the better deal for full AI-powered video creation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, Give me a like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. Good luck, and see you in the next video.